everybody, it's Bean and Bagel. We are back with another video.
We are back.
And I am super excited because I have literally been wanting to try this for like 2 years. So a while back, I happened to see a Facebook ad, I think it was where I first saw it, for QC Pizza. And they have this pizza called Kinda Big Dill. And it has dill pickles on it, and like garlic sauce, and Canadian bacon, and all kinds of good stuff. But I was super excited to try a dill pickle pizza, and I just never gotten around to it. So today it is finally happening, and we're making a video about it. So I'm excited.
Yes, we are.
They have a lot of interesting pizzas there, which...
They have amazing stuff. Like, if you listen to their menu, I'm going to read it off here. You're going to fall out of your chair. Like, they have like a Minnesota masher. It's like a loaded baked potato pizza. The one that we're going to try here, the dill pickle pizza. They have a BLT one. They have a curd-aroni, so it's cheese curds. And yeah, we might have to do a part 2 possibly because of that.
Yeah,
chicken and wild rice, mango tango chicken. I don't know. I mean, jerk chicken, Reuben pizza, QC pizza. Check out their website. Check out their menu. It's like, I mean, I was drooling just looking at the menu. So
for sure, it sounds quite delicious and smells quite delicious. Mmm. First bite's good.
Definitely.
Mmm. It's a thumbs up.
It is a thumbs up. I was a little kind of like iffy on it. Like, pickles on my pizza? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
Mm-hmm. It is pretty salty, but pickles and Canadian bacon, what do you expect? But I think the sauce really works with it. It's like garlicky, but it's not like too much with the pickles. And then it's got a really good amount of cheese. And then the pickles just give it that nice tangy dill flavor.
Yeah, man.
Super good.
I don't know how Iowa and Illinois got together on this, though. I don't see those two states getting along too much, because that's what the Quad City is, basically, as I spit all over everything. Apparently Quad City, this started with like 4 cities in those 2 states or something, right?
Yeah, the border towns of Iowa and Illinois. Mm-hmm. And this is their style of pizza. So what makes it unique, I guess, is they have like malt in the crust. So it gives it like a little bit of a nutty flavor. And then they also cut it into strips, more strip-sized pieces, not like squares or the pie shape like you typically see. But I think the crust is good. Like, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's that nice like in between.
That's good.
But nah, that's all really good.
Very well balanced. You get soft portions of the crust, but you also get crust. You know, It's not like
crispy
flimsy.
Crust. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the cheese melted really good. You know, it's not greasy.
Mm-hmm. There's a good amount of cheese. Like, it's a nice thick layer of cheese, which I appreciate. And they like shred their own cheese and stuff and do a lot of things in-house. So good quality pizza, and you can tell.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of reminds me of homemade pizza almost, with the way that the cheese is melted. You know, I mean, I've shown it to you a couple times now probably, but it's just that kind of like when you eat a cheese curd and you get a mouthful of cheese, but it's like you get the breading with it and all that kind of stuff. It's similar to that in a way to me. Like, it's very well balanced, but you get a good amount of crust and a good amount of cheese. I'm shocked, honestly, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this. Like, I'm not a big like put pickles on my pizza, so
I knew it would be good. You just have to trust Hopi.
She's smarter than me though, so like I gotta trust.
You gotta trust the bagel. But yeah, I don't know if I taste malt in the crust, but it is a really good crust. Like, it's really light, I would say. Like, it's not one of those crusts where it's like just so doughy and like thick, and I don't know. It feels fairly light to me. Like, it's soft in parts, but it's got a good crispy part too, so I like it.
So Hopi and I have this try it or walk by it review thing we do. I would recommend it as a try it.
For sure. My mouth's really full, but it's a try it. Definitely, if you like pickles, you're gonna love it. Good dill flavor, good pickle flavor, but a very balanced pizza still. So I think it's a huge thumbs up. Go try it. If you were at all interested in it, it's worth checking out. If you don't like pickles, you might not like it, but you should still try it because I think it's good.
And if you like cucumbers, maybe you'll like it because that's what pickles are, really. So you can trick your brain.
That's right. Man, this is good. I just want to like keep going to town.
So we're going to keep going to town on this. We appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for all your support. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Leave comments down below if you have any feedback or any suggestions. And we'll see you later.
Go get the pizza. It's so good.